Hey everyone, just wanted to show you what I've been working on lately. It's a new app for Palm's webOS. Got my pre here to show it off a little bit. You can see that green icon there. It's called Digloo, and if you can't tell from the name of the app, this is a way to browse Digg.com on your pre or Pixie. See the front page of stories here is where it defaults. You may be wondering what these different colors are. The goldish color are news articles, blue are images, and then this green, those are videos. And if you want to filter by media type, you can click one of the buttons down at the bottom. And right now we're looking at only images. Not the only filter, of course. You can filter by topic. So these are all the different topics on Digg. You want to just look at technology images. That's where we're at right now. I can look at all technology stories though, and you'll see the current topic reflected up there. Sorry by the way for the shaky camera. I cannot find my tripod. Here are our text stories. We can browse through the different pages using the gesture area. And as you can see, it's pretty fast. I am on Wi-Fi right now. It's a little bit slower when you're not. Top stories. You can view those by clicking that link. Now, one thing you'll notice right away is these are the current top stories right now. The media buttons went away. That was for a couple of reasons. First of all, Digg doesn't have API support for viewing media for the top stories. I'm not sure why. But regardless, I'm actually going to have buttons down here so you can look at current, this last 24 hours, this week, this year, this month, whatever. Just like on the website, you can view by 7 days, 30 days, 365 days. And those will be added for the final version. And as you can see, you can scroll through here. All the top stories. Now if I click an article, it'll load it up. Let's see, we have some information up here. And I should let you know that this page is still under a lot of work. This info area right here, where all it says is the submitter, it'll have a lot more information there by the time I'm done, such as submission date and specific category. I'll have kind of like a breadcrumb navigation. You can see the description. You can hide it. Sometimes those descriptions get really long. You might want to hide it. Comments, of course, this is probably the most popular part of Digg, is the actual community. And you can load all the comments on a story. If a comment is buried below your set threshold, it won't show up. I have mine set to -4, which is how I have it set on the Digg website. There will be a preference though for you to choose the comment threshold. So if that didn't make sense, basically any comment that is less than -4 digs, it won't show unless you tap it, and then it'll show up. But then, where's that one? That was this one. If they're a little longer right now, it blanks the screen as you saw. I'm working on fixing that. If I can't fix it, I guess it's not that big of a deal. It's just kind of annoying. We have a share button for each story. You can send a text message, an email, or just copy the link to the clipboard. So you can paste it into Twitter or Facebook or whatever. And you'll see I actually am using the shortened URL for text messages, so it's nice and easy. Obviously, you're going to want to be able to read the articles. By doing that, you just tap the header. And sometimes the browser takes a second to start up, and sometimes it's instant, so I'll get a little animation going on there just to make it appear a little nicer. But yeah, obviously this is now the article that story was linked to. And we can pop on up back to the front page. Oh, the other thing I wanted to show you were, let's go back to top stories. We can look at replies to a comment, like this one here. You can of course dig and bury comments too. I probably should mention that. That's the main feature of the app. Digging and burying comments and digging and burying the story. that feature is currently not implemented fully because I'm waiting on Digg to fix some bugs. But for viewing replies, I have them popping up in a little dialog panel here. You can scroll through. I just got an email. You can scroll through and view those. That still has a little bit of work to be done on it. And a bunch of buried comments in a row. There's no landscape support yet. That will be something I'm planning for version 1.1. So yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of the app. I still have a couple weeks of work to do on it. And like I said, I'm still waiting for Digg to get back at me with a bug in their API, but they've been really good with communicating with me and working with me on that. So there you have it, Digloo, available soon. Thanks, guys.